Minisita w'enshonga z'ebyokwerinda Vincent Bamuranga Kisempija, omuhwezi we Jacob Oboth hamwe na minisita w'abazirwanda Ehud Erelu barambwire emisiri y'ebicoori ebyahingirwe amahega Uganda People Defence Forces okurabira omu Chieftains of Production and Welfare omugombora ya Kyangwari omu district ya Kikuube.
Turambula ba veterans, turambula emirimo ekozerwa UPDF Chief of Chieftains of Production na NEC. Na ukuwa ukinyisa president w'ihanga akaturagira kulima ebicoori habukuba minisitiri y'obulimi ekarabuli ihanga ngo mayisaho twa kwesanga tayine byokuli.
So tugenda kusaba government tunulemu ekyokutegeka budde kubanga mmere netera okufuluma naddala y'empeke z'akasooli n'eya soya na okusinga kasooli ne soya basinze okulima ku mulundi guno.
Ekitongole ky'ebyesente kikaheereza abazirwandeho obuhumbi 750 aba Chieftains of Production and Welfare obuhumbi 14 aba National Enterprise Corporation obuhumbi 12 kuhinga ebicoori.
Esente bakazitwalete kwezi kwa 8 niwo twatandika kuhinga omu kwa 9 mwino sizonera basa kutukwata nibo buzibu buro. Otherwise challenge ya kabiri na kugambira stores twasharura ntutai
senga tumukwata natagenda ku bukyafu ne tumukaza bulungi tumutereka bulungi butale webuli ekyo tumukyeraliikira n'eki kyaliko obuzibu mutindo gwaffe guli wansi.
Minisita omuhwezi w'abazirwanda Ehud Erelu hamwe na minisita omuhwezi w'ebyokwerinda Jacob Oboth nibenda abazirwandaho baheebwa itaka ry'okuhingamu buri mwanya oguriho itaka ry'amahe.
Honorable Minister, I would request that also attach some land here for the veterans. For us veterans, we want to be wherever you are so that we continue to tap from that rich knowledge and experience which you may either get from us or we may get from the UPDF, whichever way.
Every soldier in uniform, you know you are destined to be a veteran. So the projects here would be sending a very strong message. I think we should adopt it as a policy that where we have the land projects for the soldiers, CPW, we should have veterans.
Manyisibwa no manager mpulina manyisa minister nti hari abantu ababa bakutalibanza itaka kujja kuyesiza mwente mu office ya president ekyo nja kwatenga na ba farm managers hano korora nti twabazana abantu abo tubasomese tumaye kubasomesa niye barayiga obu atayige iteeka nirikorogwayo.
Itaka rikaba ritwiremu abantu ababinjirwemu omwaka gw'2020. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.